5 tips on how to communicate with your ex in a family law case. Hi, I'm attorney Chris Nicolason from Springs Law Group here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And I'd like to talk to you today about how to communicate with your ex in a family law case. The first tip I'd like to give you is in regards to phone calls, emails, and text messages. When either making those messages or responding to your ex. And the biggest piece of advice I can give you there is to just wait. And what I mean by that is wait with those responses. Wait in sending that text or that email. Because a lot of times we send those based out of emotion. And that emotion can ultimately come back to hurt you. So if you wait, give yourself about 24 hours before you hit send, and then review it. Come back and go, would I actually want to send this? And the big question I always have my clients ask is, would I be okay if this was read in court? Or if this was heard in court, this phone call? And so definitely the first tip is to just wait on those phone calls, emails, and text messages. Tip number 2 is to always take the high road. What I mean by that is you don't want to get into a big back and forth or a yelling match on the phone or a big word war with the other side. So definitely just take the high road and be the better person. Tip number 3 is to follow the court order. So if you're in a case and you actually have a court order, the advice I always have is to follow the court order. So I always tell my clients then that you want to take a step back, review the court order, and if you're following it, you are good. Tip number 4 for you then is to keep your responses short. So if the other side is going off on a super long email or a really, really long phone call, just keep your responses short. Again, you don't want to get into that back and forth. If you keep your responses short and to the point, direct about whatever you're talking about, it'll help you in the long run. And lastly, if things are getting too complicated or a little bit hairy, talk to an attorney about it. The attorney can step in and help take some of the emotion out of it. So again, today, these are just some tips on how to effectively communicate with your ex in a family law case. My name is Chris Nicolason. I'm an attorney at Springs Law Group. Please give us a call if you have any questions regarding that. Thank you.